Let's welcome now Mike Peacock from KOTESOL.
Thanks, Dave. My name's Mike, but I don't need a mic. Does that make any sense? Yeah. Mike Peacock. I'm with Korea TESOL. I think I see many of you from Korea TESOL here today. This is our website. This is the main website. And if you go to the TESOL website here, you can find out information about different events that we have around Daejeon, Cheonan, Cheongju is our area here. And if you go, you can see events. Our next event is the, come on now, summer picnic. Wow. Is that, in Korean you say 한밭 사무관, 소무관, 한밭 사무관. In English, 한밭 arboretum. It's directly across the bridge from Expo Park in Woosong. Beautiful area if we can get the right spot. First come, first serve. Last year we had a gazebo, we had a barbecue, we had hamburgers, hot dogs, drinks. Kids were invited. We had a couple of babies. We're not gonna like throw them or anything. It's not like beach volleyball with baby or anything, but although that's something we could think about. We also prefer, people like the website. I prefer Facebook. If you have Facebook and if you Google KOTESOL Daejeon Chungcheong chapter, you can see, wow, this is our end of year party photo. I think that's a very nice photo. We've got some people at the back here that are right here, and I'm here, and you look at somebody right there. Yeah, you can find different events. Okay, see, you can have this event today, and coming event is our, or you can just go to events here. That's probably better. Today, June 1st, digital learning, dun, 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 dun. And then June 15th, the Daejeon Chungcheong picnic. Okay, I have a table out here. We have special interest groups. That's a SIG. If you're involved, if you want to get involved with Christian teachers or multimedia call, that's pretty much what today is all about. It's just a group of English instructors that have kind of the same mentality, the same thinking. You get involved with them. They have Facebook groups, they have websites. If you join KOTESOL, you can get Korea TESOL Journal. It's got a lot of cool, interesting stuff in there. Also, 4 copies of the English Connection. All right. And at the back, I also have information about our summer picnic. Feel free to take one of these. Summer picnic's one of my favorite events of the year. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty good time. If you're interested in our symposium, who here is American? Any Americans here? I'm Canadian, but we have our November symposium and Thanksgiving dinner. Wow, that's the draw. Come for Thanksgiving dinner. Terry Beto here, she is the chair of this year's symposium. If you want to get involved with that, helping out in any way, talk to her. All right. As a side note, I graduated from the TESOL-MALL program at Woosong. I highly recommend it. Job security. They can't fire me because I got my MA plus 2 years, right? So they've really got me into Moodle and different types of apps and different types of that. He really gave me passion. And although I've kind of lost my passion a little bit, hopefully you guys can find some passion today through the different presentations. Okay, I think that's it. Come and talk to me if you have any more questions or anything. Thanks.